If you want to publish a survey in SurveyMonkey, I'll show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is a simple tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you're trying to share your survey with a team, customers, students, or your audience. And if this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if you haven't already. After that, look for your survey dashboard so you can choose the survey you want to publish. Click on the survey you want to work with, and that will open the survey editor or survey details page. Now that your survey is open, look for the Publish Survey option. This is the main button or menu item you need in order to start sharing your survey publicly. Click on Publish Survey, and SurveyMonkey will begin generating your sharing options. Depending on how your survey is set up, you may see a direct survey link first. If you do, this is the quickest way to get your survey live. Once the link is generated, click Copy so you can save it to your clipboard. After that, you can paste that link anywhere you need it, such as email, social media, a website, or a chat message. This is the easiest option if you just want to send people directly to the survey page. If you need other ways to publish your survey, scroll down and look for more collector options. SurveyMonkey gives you multiple methods for sharing, so if the direct link is not enough, you can use another format based on where you want your audience to see it. For example, if you want to place the survey on a site, look for the website option. Click on Website and then choose Embedded Survey. This option is useful if you want the survey to appear directly inside a web page rather than sending people away to another page. Once you select Embedded Survey, SurveyMonkey will create the embed code or sharing setup for that format. After that, click Copy again so you can grab the embed code or website collector details. Then you can paste that code into your website editor, blog, or page builder, depending on where you want the survey displayed. This is a great choice if you want a cleaner, more professional look and you want people to complete the survey without leaving your site. So to recap, the process is really simple. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, copy the generated link, and if needed, choose Website and Embedded Survey for website sharing. From there, just copy the code and use it wherever you want to publish the survey. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.